All right, so most of your brains have been ruined, right? You've grown up consuming stuff, you've been watching TV, YouTube, TikTok. It's ruined your brain. Most of us are just exposed to constant stimuli and it's destroyed our attention span. And that's a serious problem inside of copywriting because as a copywriter, you are paid in direct proportion to your ability to think through how businesses work, to think through how customers are motivated. It requires a level of deep personal cognition. You have to learn how to use your brain, right? You have to work for long periods of time deeply focused. And I'm going to show you how to cure your brain. I'm going to show you how to overcome that. And it's going to become a superpower because it's going to allow you to think at a higher level than the rest of the people that are competing for you, like in the world with you for what you want. And it's going to allow you to go through this program faster. You're going to learn faster. You're going to more quickly find clients. And it's all through using what I like to call a G work session. So what is a G work session? There was this idea called a deep work session, but that's a weird term. And we use something significantly better. I call it a G work session. And this is what you do. Which basically you have clear intention. You know what you're going to do that day, right? So you sit down, you remove all distractions. You take your phone, turn it off, put it in another room or tucked away in a drawer, somewhere where you can't see it. For some reason, if you can see your phone, it always calls to you, right? Turn it off, put it out of sight. Pull up your computer, set a timer for a specific amount of time. When you're first starting out, it's probably going to be about 15 minutes. You set a timer for 15 minutes and you tell yourself, I am going to work completely focused for 15 minutes. And then I'll allow myself to do whatever I want after that. But for right now, I am going to work. You can use some caffeine to help you focus a little bit better. I like using binaural beats, and there'll be a link to how to do that. It's basically like this audio that helps your brain get into a more focused state. But you sit there and you do the work. That's all a G work session is. At first, you might only be able to do it for 15 minutes. Pretty soon, you'll be able to do it for 20, 30, an hour. The target is about 90 minutes. That's about where you start to break down. At the end of your work session, you need to get up, move around, do some push-ups, go for a short walk. You need to reset your brain, sort of rejuvenate it, and then you just sit right back down and get right back to work. As you do this, it allows your brain to get into a flow state. It allows you to learn at an accelerated level. Your mind opens up. You're able to come up with more creative thoughts. Doing these G work sessions all day with the time that you have available is what's going to allow you to focus and get stuff done. The most difficult part is the starting part, is just sitting down and doing the work. Set a timer, force yourself to get started. Pretty soon you'll get into a flow and you won't even want to stop your G work session. But as you do G work sessions, you'll learn faster, you'll achieve more, you'll get more output done than other people in the same amount of time because they're distracted checking their phone every 5 seconds. Develop the ability to turn your phone away, put it away. If you have to use your phone for this program, hit it on airplane mode so you don't get any notifications and train yourself to focus. Develop this ability because you are going to get paid in proportion to your level of thinking. This is how you cure your brain.